now I'm going to show you something cool. So let's say you wanted to throw some products down below here and to spice up the email. So I'm going to go back up to content. And we now have a feature called columns. So I'm going to drag and drop this columns widget right under my divider. And now we have a choice of 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4, and 5, whatever. So I'm going to do 3 columns. And boom, now we've got a 3-column section. So now you go back to your images. You can just drag and drop your images into those fields. So these are all different shapes. So, but not only that, that's more than just images. You can take other content inside of those columns. So for text, for example, let's say you want to call this, product title, whatever the title of the product was. All right, and then maybe you want to turn around, and then below that, you want to maybe put in the price. So you drag a content or text box down below here. Call it price, $750. And then you can click on that field. You can obviously style it. So I'm going to want to center it. I'm going to center it within there. I'm going to change the font color on that because it's not going to be green because that's color or that's pricing. Do that. Boom. So you can customize the different columns within this section here. And of course, again, you can take these, you can link these images like I showed you before. You can resize them and so forth. So that's how you would create, images inside of your in sections inside of your email there.